Peacock.
Naira, what is the name of our state?
New Delhi. Kerala.
Rayan, which is the capital of Kerala?
Tirunelveli.
Henza, how many districts are there in Kerala?
14.
Ilham, what is the name of our district?
Kozhikode.
Neza, which is the biggest animal in the world?
Blueberry.
Naira, which is the biggest animal in the land?
Elephant.
Rayan, which animal is known as ship of desert?
Camel.
Henza, tallest animal in the world?
Giraffe.
Ilham, fastest animal in the world?
Cheetah.
Henza, which is the first surah revealed in the Quran?
Surah Alaq.
Ilham, how many verses are there in Surah Fatiha? Ilham, how many verses are there in Surah Fatiha? 7. Neza, what is the name of our country?
India.
Naira, which is the capital of India?
New Delhi.
Rayan, who is the first Prime Minister of India?
Jawaharlal Nehru.
Henza, who is the current Prime Minister of India?
Narendra Modi.
Ilham, how many states are there in India?
29.
Neza, national flower.
Lotus.
Naira, national sea animal.
Dolphin.
Rayan, national fish.
Correct.
Ilham, which are tricolors in Indian flag?
Saffron, white, grey.
Neza, which bird is known as dancing bird?
Peacock.
Naira, biggest flower in the world?
Rafflesia.
Rayan, smallest flower in the world? Henza, which day we celebrated as Independence Day?
15 August.
Ilham, name of 12 months in Arabic?
Muharram, Safar, Rabiul Awwal, Rabiul Akhir, Jamatul Awwal, Jamatul Akhir, Rajab, Sya'ban, Ramadan, Syawal, Dzulqa'dah, Dzulhijjah.
Naira, which are 7 days in a week?
Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
Rayan, can you please say 12 months in Malayalam?
Kanni, Manni, Tula, Vrishikam, Dhanam, Magaram, Kumbha, Meenam, Medam, Idavam, Karkidakam.
Ilham, what are the names of 4 seasons?
Summer season,